So I just received my package of pliers here. Looks like pretty good quality overall. As you can see, we have the grip along the handle, and then you also have a spring right there. Got some pretty good bounce back. Once you squeeze, it has a slight release. As you can see, it's good quality there. All the nippets are closed. It's making good contact from each side of the tool. Pretty close gap. But overall, it looks like a pretty decent set of needle nose pliers. I would say I would purchase again. I'm pretty satisfied with this.